Friends, in this class, I'm going to teach you report writing. Report writing is a very important thing for your English score final examination of class 12. As you know that report writing does also come off 10 marks. In the last few classes, I discussed with you letter writing process, the format, and various types of formal and informal letters with suitable examples. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to write a report. And one thing to be kept in mind that report writing does contain 10 marks. So if you do it in the perfect format and your content, your matter, if you write it in the best possible way, you may score good marks. So let's start the process. First of all, let me tell you that report writing has three categories, three types. The first report writing, it's written for newspaper. All the news which you read in a newspaper, the newspaper articles, they are also called report. So first type of report is written by a person for the newspaper. The second type of report is written for magazines or journals. Magazines or journals, if you have read any magazine or any journal, you may have found there articles written by various research scholars, PhD holders, and various faculty members across the world. They write their report for a magazine or for a journal. Journal are of many types, Some journals are UGC recognized journals. Some journals are called international journals. Some are Springer. Some are Scopus. So the second type of report is written and published in magazines and journals. And the third type is for submission to the higher authorities. Some reports are written. Some reports are prepared by an employee in an organization to show it to the higher authorities, to the board of directors, or some other personnel of that organization. So the most common type of report writing is the report writing for newspaper. Many a times you'll get a question that write a report for your school magazine, for your college magazine, for your university magazine. So reports do also publish in newspaper magazines, school magazines, college magazines, and university magazines. For example, India Today, you may see that is a type of journals or magazine in which you will find a number of reports published by various scholars and various research person, various research scholars. Reports are to be written point-wise, to be considered while writing report. So these points, I'm going to discuss with you certain points which are to be kept in mind while preparing a report, while drafting a report. Point number one, that if a report is for a newspaper, suppose that you are writing a report for publication in newspaper, then you have to write the report within a box. Very important thing. You'll have to make a rectangular outline, and within that rectangular outline, you will have to write the report which is for publication in newspaper. Number one. Number two, if a report is for a journal or a magazine, you have to write it without a box. You need not to draw the outline. You will have to change only the paragraphs, and then you will have to prepare a report for magazine or journals. The third type of report, that is for submission to higher authorities, you have to give more and more data, more and more facts and suggestions to be given in the report, which are for the submission to the higher authorities, the board of directors, CEO or CMD of some company. You need to put that format with the inclusion of facts, with the inclusion of data, and you will have to give the recommendations there. I will discuss all these three types of report writing, because in your exam, in your final examination, any type of report may come, so you'll have to be prepared for writing any type of report being asked to write. So I'm going to discuss with you the first question of a report, and please keep this in mind that you will have to write this report within a rectangular outline. You have to draw a box, and then within that box you have to write the title, the name of the person who has prepared that report, the dates, and then you have to write about the subject matter of that report. Let's have an example. Let me give you an example, a very simple and safe example. The question is, you witnessed a road accident on the way to your college at Lake Road, Ranchi, 834001. Write a report to be published in a newspaper. This is the question, that you have witnessed an accident in the Lake Road, Ranchi, and you will have to prepare a report for the publication in a newspaper. So how you have to start? First of all, I would like to show you the format. Without format, it will be useless for you to write a report, to prepare a report. So let's have a look at the format. You may see that I have used a box, and within that box I have written the title, and then you may see the subject matter inside that box. This is the end of the box. Let me show you the horizontal view. This is the horizontal view. Let me show you the vertical view of this report. This is the way you have to write the report in your final examination of English core. Please have a look. You need to see only the format. The rest of the things I will discuss on my own. You need to see how I have drawn the box, how I have written the title, and then the paragraphs. Now let's discuss the question, what was there. You may see the question, let me repeat it again, that you witnessed a road accident on your way to college at Lake Road, Ranchi, 834001. Write a report to be published in newspaper. Now, the subject matter. First of all, you have to write the title. The title would be like this: One died, two injured. Let me repeat it again. One died, two injured. Then you have to write Ranchi, comma, September 28, or you may put the date as the present date as October 2nd, 2020, 2020. And then in the bracket, after the date, you have to write in the bracket staff correspondence, STAFF, staff, CORRESPONDENT, staff correspondent. So first of all, you have to write the title, two died, one injured. After that, you have to give the name of the place, since the accident took place in Ranchi. So first of all, you have to write Ranchi. Then you have to put a comma. Then you have to give the date, October 2nd, comma, 2020. In the bracket after that, in the same line, staff correspondent. Then the first paragraph will be like this: two persons died and one person is severely injured in a road accident near Lake Road, Ranchi. You have to write the first paragraph in this manner. You have to give a brief introduction of the incident took place, the accident took place, and then you have to move to the second paragraph. Let me repeat the first paragraph again. After the date, after the place, after the date and staff correspondent, you have to write two persons injured badly and one person lost his life in a serious accident which took place at Lake Road, Ranchi on 2nd of October morning. The second paragraph. The eyewitnesses say that a speeding truck laden with stone chips, construction materials, was coming from the opposite side. The driver lost control over the steering. It dashed a biker who was coming from the opposite direction. The rider died instantly on the spot, and the two persons sitting behind him, they are seriously injured. They are admitted at RIMS. The police has taken the dead body of the person for post-mortem. Police has lodged an FIR and started investigation in the direction. The truck driver has walked away from the place. He ran away from the place. There is no trace of the driver and his helper. The police identified the dead person as to be the residents of Ratu Road, Ranchi. Police has started investigation. He is in search of the culprit. This is the end of the report. As you have seen that it has 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph which is telling about the main thing of the incident. The second paragraph will be the longer one, in which you have to give the description of the truck, how accident took place, how the truck driver ran away from the spot along with his helper, and then you'll have to write that how the dead person, the dead body is to be taken to the RIMS for further post-mortem, etc. And the dead persons and along with the 2 injured persons, they were taken to the nearby hospital for treatment. And then police has lodged an FIR and the action are being taken by the police in this direction. The police is searching for the culprit. There was no arrest till the time the report is being written. Thank you.